In this video, I'll be unboxing these Westinghouse lighting fixtures. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check them out. And let's get started. My name's Josh, and if you're new to this channel is all about building your own house and DIYing to save a ton of money. And I suggest you subscribe if you're interested in those topics, and like this video if you find it helpful. All right, let's unpackage those lights. I'll be unboxing this one first, and I'll put a timestamp in the comments below so you can just click over to the other two if you don't want to watch each one individually. So when we first open it up, right on top we have the owner's manual. So I suggest you read that if you're going to be installing it for sure. Okay. And then it's packaged with this really cheap, that kind of foam that falls apart. So it may make a mess depending on where you're unpackaging it at. All right, looks like it's all taped together. Yeah, it's very taped up. Okay, so the first item on top, we got our globe. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of a whitish, semi-transparent look. Okay, we'll set that to the side. Yeah, okay, so you almost got to tear apart this foam to get to the good. All right, so right here, and sorry there's paint over my hands. I was painting earlier and made a little bit of a mess. But here's our first pieces. And this is a chain, and I will be using that when I install it. And this is just the little cover that goes to the ceiling. So as you can see, it's really nice finish on it. And we got this bracket, and that goes onto the ceiling. And I'll show it to you here. So yeah, it's pretty good quality. Okay. This looks like the actual decorative part of the light. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, that's really, really nice. I really like the finish on it. I'm impressed. I didn't think the finish would be that nice on it. So you can see it kind of has this oil rub bronze look to it. Alright, and let's look here. Okay, it looks like more pieces. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but I will find out when I go to install it. And it has your mounting bracket and wire nuts and some machine screws. When you're done unboxing, this is everything that comes in the package. All right, so like I said, when you go to unpackage this, make sure you're somewhere where you can contain the mess because that foam breaks apart everywhere. Something I wanted to point out real quick about the light, I noticed these fold out. So what you seen there a second ago was with when they were folded in. I didn't realize that till now because I was looking at it like, that looks kind of strange, but that's what it looks like, and these are all folded out. So I did get this one hung. I just wanted to show you real quick what it looked like. It's not too bad of a setup, pretty easy to install. So that's what it looks like up in the air floating. All right, I'll be unboxing the island light now. So let me go ahead and get this cut open. Okay, right on the top, we got our owner's manual.
It looks like it's packaged like the
looks like it's all kind of taped in. Like I said, this foam is unbelievably messy. Alright, here's this. Here's some wire nuts and machine screws. We're going to fit these to the side. It's all wrapped in plastic, which is good for shipping, obviously. Alright. So that's what it looks like. That's the frame of it. And you got your chains, and then this part anchors up against the ceiling. Right, and you see the wires inside there. There it is with all the plastic off and the chain. All right, flip it over and let's pop this off. And it looks like we got a globe that's similar to the one we just opened out of the other one, except this one doesn't have that like white stuff going through it that makes it look kind of fluffy. It's just frosted is all this is. And same way. All right, so that's everything it comes with here. Your two globes, the light frame, and your bracket that goes against the ceiling. And this piece here, I was showing you earlier, that actually anchors to the ceiling that holds everything. And your wire nuts. All right, let's go and package the other light. All right, let's open this 5-light wheel rub bronze finish Westinghouse vanity light. Alright, so here's the owner's manual. And Westinghouse really likes to tape everything up, I've noticed. Alright, here's your mounting bracket and your wire nuts and machine screws. I hate breaking this foam because it makes such a mess, but seems to be the easiest way to unpackage it. Alright. This looks like the exact same finish that is on the island light that I just opened. So yeah, looks like a pretty nice light. And let's see what else we got.
I think they glued down inside.
Alright, here's one of the globes, and it's the exact same frosting that's on the island light as well. The dining light is different than both of these, so just FYI. These are more of a solid black finish with the frosted globes. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box. Your frame for the lights, your wire nuts and machine screws to anchor it, your actual mounting bracket that you mount on the wall, and then your frosted globes, and that is all that's in the box. And I will say no lights were broken, or no globes were broken in the shipping, so that's a big plus. So even though that foam is really messy, it seems to protect everything really well. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.